Hello, in this video we will see how to insert a license in the system, right? First you have to buy the license, of course, and you will be asked for a set of numbers. It's to say, the license is assigned to one computer and only one. You cannot move it to a different one, right? So when you turn the system on, here you get the registration ID. This number is the one you have to send to your dealer or to us, what you prefer, and we will send you back another ID. Just copy it, paste it in an email, send it to us, and we will reply you with another code, a different one that only matches the one you have, right? So you can here and you paste the number we will give you, right? And then just click register. Now the system is registered. If you close the application and you open it again, you will not be requested to insert a license code. It will already be there. When you turn the system on with one playlist, you will see that the demo word had disappeared. The system is completely ready for going to production, right? See you in the next video. Thank you.